Well, here we go, looking at a cabin air vent. Original part number LAC1541.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now there's nothing fancy about LAC. It stands for louver. That's what these are called in a car. This is an air louver. So louver, AC was louver air conditioning, because if you had air conditioning in your car, you had these. So LAC 1545. Well, here they are. Now they do have a vent on the back, which does help with them. And what that does is it helps directs the airflow coming in through your vent, so it doesn't want to make these want to splay to one side or the other. But these are fully movable. So ladies and gentlemen, we got a bunch of these. So you like the air locks for keeping your airplane cool when you're stopped or when you're flying? These will let the air in for you. So thanks for watching.